This is how to take a photograph. I'm making this as basic as I possibly can. So if you already know how your camera works, you can skip this video if you like. If you have a removable lens or an interchangeable lens system, make sure the lens is attached properly. You line up the two dots and then turn the lens until it clicks into place. If you have a bridge camera or a point and shoot, you don't have to worry about that. Make sure the battery is charged and inserted into the camera the right way. Put the memory card into the camera and format it. Turn the camera on. If it's the first time you've ever used a camera, you have a mode dial at the top. You want to make sure this is on auto. Don't get automatic mixed up with A or AV. A or AV is aperture priority. The shutter button is a two-stage button. It's normally pressed with your right index finger. When you press it halfway, it'll focus and get exposure. When you press it all the way, it'll take a photograph. If you're not sure what exposure is, click on the eye in the corner or the link in the description. This will take you to one of my other videos. And that's about it. Have a play around with your camera and see what you can get in auto mode. In this mode, you're letting the camera do all of the work. As you get more used to it, you'll want to take back some of that control. And this is where the other modes come into play. If you want to learn more about these other modes, click on the eye in the corner or again in the description below. This will take you to my other videos on shutter priority, aperture priority, and manual mode. If you want to see more videos, subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting the bell in the corner. See you next time.